Karong gabi una. Some says candidate number 2, some says candidate number 4.
Okay, let's hit the rank. Dave, our
Face of the night is candidate number number 4. Ayan. Face of the night. Sharina Magdaya. So Sash is to be pinned by one of the active member of the
Award, national costume.
So
Dave, national.
our national costume, best in national costume, is none other than
Candidate
number
number
9.
national costume.
National costume. Katong kaninang na ay mga anak din sa likod, na ay pako ba to? If I can still remember. So this sash is to be pinned by Mr. The first runner-up during our casual pala, sorry.
Best in casual goes to candidate number 3.
Ayan, candidate number 3, best in casual. So the sash is to be pinned by Miss or Mr. ba siya? Miss Chawe, ayan. One of the active students in the university. Who's your bet?
Best in sexy short goes to candidate number 4.
Ayan, once again.
Hi, Sharina.
Okay, sash is to be awarded by our very own Julie. Ayan, thank you very much. This candidate number 4.
Next is our best in gown.
Best in gown, ayan.
Palagi ko tayo.
So, tanaw ninyo, audience. Kinsa sa inyong pananaw ang naay pinakamaanyag o pinaka-anindot na gown?
Yes!
So, dili lang siya nagasukat sa pinaka-anindot na gown, no? So,
Depende pa
sa
sa
bearing
pagkalaw.
ko sa pagkalaw.
Bearing, sa posture, and everything. So, ngayon, best in gown goes to candidate
Candidate number 9. Ayan. Candidate number 9 is Katrina Halili.